And we're back, Gunners. Me and Trappy.
Working.
We're literally just waiting for this giveaway. Now, the reason the content is stale is because we're waiting for the giveaway.
We don't got no room, man.
We don't have no room. We wish we had a bigger shop. We wish we had a more lifts and whatnot. And then at least we could have started working on the RXK. But with that being said, we're going to go buy a transmission. We found one at a JDM Engine Depot. 40,000 miles on it. You guys won't believe the price. So we are leaving Yonkers now. We'll be in Jersey in a jiffy. And that's it. Sit back and enjoy this content. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Word. All right, now. All right, guys. All right, guys. Yep, all right, guys. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Man, I hope this traffic ain't there when we get back, Trap. We don't want to sit now. We might have to take the Henry Hudson home.
Yeah, we might be able to.
Yeah. We're on 87, boys. We're going to cross that bridge. Don't take long to get there. It says we're about 36 minutes out. I just hope that we don't buy anything extra, Trap.
They do got seats.
They got a lot of nice stuff
nice
there,
stuff
man.
in there.
I don't want to end up buying a K-swap. God, guys, don't let me buy nothing. Just the transmission, please. That sticker definitely came with that van.
I'm trying to focus on it. They gotta see this.
Nah, that sticker definitely came with the van for free.
Yeah, nah, you guys gotta see this.
I see it.
Yeah.
Oh my God. That guy just cut us off too, and then you recorded him.
Yeah, he must be
He's
freaking
probably
out.
like, oh my God!
Yeah, he's
oh my
freaking-
God!
He's freaking out. Look at it.
Yo, that's a nice van, Trap.
I think that's the one that comes with the vacuum cleaner trap. Don't ask me how I know. I got 4 kids.
Wow. Yo, that's a nice unit. Chacho, cabrón. You see the boxing gloves, cabrón.
Yo,
The boxing gloves, cabrón. Gengi.
Yeah, I'm not doing the mask thing. I'm not trying to be cheap. Yeah, we're here for one transmission. Yeah, we could vlog. Yeah, we're good to vlog. Good to vlog. Oh God.
Back in here, Trappy. We are back in here. Boys got a fresh transmission for us, and it's good to take that procedure. Why not, right?
You see that right behind you? RX-8.
RX-8.
Yes, sir. I found.
There it is.
This might look like flat, right?
Yeah, all we want is the trans.
Yeah, what?
Let's see how this thing. Nice. So supposedly these transmissions get here, they have about 40 to 45,000 miles. So we're getting a fresh transmission. Maybe a little dusty. It's been here for a while, but it does feel good, Trap.
Yeah. Sounds good. I'll take it.
Can't beat that, Trap. 6-speed transmission. $200. Uncle Sam, 18. $218.15. Yeah, we couldn't buy a broken transmission for $218 off of a K series. Let's load this guy up.
Yep. The knot's tightening up.
That's it. My boy Kangri would be so proud of us right now, right?
Yeah.
They say his name?
Kangri.
Kangri!
Kangri would love this right now.
Right there. It's a unit.
Remember that rap that Drake said, I pull up in the Mercedes Pullman? That's a Pullman.
Look at that top. That shit is trash.
Nah, they did a trash job on
Oh
it.
my god, it's dying. Yeah, who's in that car? Yo, Drake! Good, nigga! Gotta clean this guy up, Trap.
Yeah.
Because you know one thing we do have?
Time. Mad time.
Time.
It's
got
not in
time,
bad
boys.
shape though. It's a clean unit. It's dusty, but
it's a real clean transmission. I can't wait to see. I don't know if we should try the vinegar procedure first. Maybe let the vinegar soak on it. Or just go straight to the simple.
what is that? A home remedy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah. If it's on YouTube, you can trust it.
Yeah, it works.
Got this unit on the cart, Trappy.
Yeah, look at that hard mount right there.
No, look at that. That's standing tall there. Look at us, rear wheel drive guys. Yeah. Little simple green on this puppy. See how well it cleans up. I think it's gonna look good, Trap.
Yes, sir.
I think it's gonna look good. We're gonna let this guy.
You can tell.
Listen, if this thing is anywhere near the mileage that supposedly these JDM transmissions and motors come with, we call it a steal.
Because I think they gotta stop at like 60,000 kilometers.
Something like that. So we're assured that this is around 40 to 45,000 miles. We caught a great buy today. So we're just gonna clean it up as much as we can. We're using just pure simple green. We'll let that sit for a little bit, hose it off, simple green it again, scrub, and then let's see how well it looks after we're done.
First layer. This is for the heavy grind before the brushing. You know.
Yeah. We let that simple green just sit on there for about 10 minutes. And now we're just gonna get rid of that, because what you don't want to do is you don't want to scrub dirt into dirt. So just let that degreaser, whatever you want to call it, work a little bit, and then you can start scrubbing. Looks good though.
It already looks better.
Yeah, definitely. Cleaning up good.
Looks good. Looks good.
Cabrón. You okay? You over there coughing? Baby lungs? Don't let them get on you. Don't let the Canadians get you. Yeah, they got a bone to pick with you, bro.
This ain't that Canadian. This ain't that Canadian.
They got a bone to pick with you, boss.
Yo, that thing looks good, Trap.
Yeah, it ain't too bad.
That's awesome.
Yeah. That's one light scrubbage.
I'm gonna tell you something, Trap. I'm super excited to see this bolted up to the K.
Yeah, hopefully
awesome.
Vane can make us a stand.
Yeah, we definitely need a stand.
Maricón, you finger fucking this
Yeah,
transmission.
yeah, trap. But look at this thing.
It's like Dauphine Willie when he did it.
Yo, but look at this thing.
And Dauphine Willie used to finger fuck Gucci Man rims. Wow. Thing came alive. A few more cleaning. Maybe one more round.
I mean, we got the time.
We have the time. Alright, Gunners, here's the deal. We returned that transmission back to JDM Depot and we bought a brand new one from the dealer. It's right here. Kengri, mira, Kengri. Mira este cabrón. Mira este. We're done for today, Gunners. Picked up this awesome transmission. You guys experienced it through the vlog. Put some handyman in it, me and Trappy, pause. Cleaned up really, really well, man. I mean, let's really think about it too, right? You're never gonna buy a K-Series transmission brand new, in almost brand new condition for $218 with tax, Trap. You feel what I'm saying? So we're evolving, we're getting smarter, we're starting to plan ahead, because in a couple of years we know those transmissions that are $700-800 now are going to be like the GSRs, extinct, $1,200-1,500, some ridiculous stuff. So we're just planning for the future, man, and planning for the future of the channel and doing more creative things. Maybe tomorrow we'll come back and we'll share with you all the parts we've collected already. We could show you the Collins adapter kit, we could show you the coilovers, some other stuff. We'll just share a whole bunch of stuff with you. I don't know. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just some kind of content to keep you entertained. Please throw us a like, throw us a comment, show me and Trappy some love. Show the Gunners some love. It's a Gunner world.
You told them to like the video?
Nah, I told them to like. I hope they did. Shout out to my nigga Kangri from Ponce, cabrón.